everyone, this is Carla, and welcome to my all new video where I will discuss what happened at yesterday's Cleveland State Career Fair as well as cloud computing career update. This is going to be everything career as well as video. So, once again, I'd like to thank all live and replay viewers for taking out the time to watch my video. And if you know, I am an alumna of Cleveland State University. I received my Master's of Business Administration there. I'm back in my hometown of Cleveland and I've been here for 1 year. So I attended yesterday's Cleveland State University's Career Fair, and it provided me an opportunity to connect with a lot of recruiters, speak to in person, which is very big. So you learn about hiring trends, you learn about work cultures. It's very different than what I've been doing for the past couple of months, which is specifically taking online training. Now, granted, they have a physical human being, and it's not just videos, which I do supplement when I'm doing lynda.com, LinkedIn Learning, and Udemy. But the thing is, talking to an actual human being is refreshing, and it's also different because, like, they post a job description up there, but I've spoken to a specific recruiter, and they told me uh, when there's multiple cities listed, what they do in that situation, which is great because they don't tell you online. They just post multiple cities. So what I got from my Cleveland State University career fair is the importance of, presenting yourself, making sure you're skilled in your delivery, your elevator pitch, and also to pitch yourself to the right companies, especially since I am going into like technology, cloud computing. There were a lot of data analytics positions, which I'm very happy about because my whole resume is analytical. And I'm very glad that here in my hometown, there are opportunities for me. What I also learned is afterwards, I posted a video that I uploaded to my Facebook story, Instagram stories, and across my social media. And I saw that people liked it and they commented on it. The same with today, which is Thursday, I uploaded my Amazon Web Services cloud uh, certificate for my solutions architect associate training that I completed last week. And I immediately received a compliment on it. So I am learning that people are actively looking at what I'm putting out, especially in videos. And I'm very happy because I love video because I love to communicate. And that just reassures me to keep doing more of that because I love communicating with my community, regardless of it's Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, my website, Carla Jenkins, LinkedIn. I truly like learning from our community and the engagement, the likes, the comments, because it's a two-way street with me. It's not just my putting stuff out there. I actually learn from people. And that's why I love social media because it's social. And I will continue to do like short under 2 minute videos and upload them to my stories since people do like that content as well as uh, photos of my certificate of completion. What I will say is transitioning from the Cleveland State Career Fair to the cloud computing is that because I did the videos, and that's what interests most people about cloud computing are for my videos, is that I've gotten a lot of work and a lot of recruiters getting in touch with me. You would be amazed. I started my training, my workforce development, cloud computing training August, early August. This is mid-September, and I've increased my LinkedIn. It has to be at least 100. There's so many people who I've connected with here in Cleveland and beyond, and not just Amazon Web Services, but also Azure and Google Cloud Platform. I've been accepted into LinkedIn cloud computing groups, cybersecurity computer groups. I've expanded my network all over, just detailing my cloud journey, putting my videos out there, as well as letting people know about the resources through lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning, and completing the cloud practitioner LinkedIn learning path that has been a boom for like putting myself out there and people coming to me. Like even today, I've taken off. I followed up with emails, got recruiters contact, had people pitch me for positions. I'm totally grateful for it because I've always been a techie. I've been doing programming since high school. I have over 15 years SAS, which is statistical analysis software programming, code review, systems administration work that I've done in computers. And those three skills have helped me significantly with the Amazon Web Services labs because you need to know that, especially when you're doing solutions architect, associate. You had to know about remote desktop. You had to have your window. You had to know about Windows password. You had to know um, how to get into the command prompt. Use PuTTY, which is Linux PowerShell script. So you had to know all of that going into. You had to know not just what it was, but how to use it. And just having those skills before coming into Amazon Web Services has made it easier for me to grasp the concept of cloud computing. Uh, Also, outside of just the Cleveland State, the recruiters, and the formal like lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning and Udemy, as well as my workforce development, I've been watching a lot of student testimonials on Amazon Web Services, which has helped me sufficiently because I learned from one person in particular that although in his opinion, because he passed both the solutions architect associate and the sysop administrator, is that they both focus on the same services, but solutions architect in his opinion focuses on the services and sysops focus on performance. That was a watershed moment, especially since next week I take my sysop administrator certification, and I just received my book code yesterday. I'm going to go through it either later today or Friday, and because my goal, as with cloud practitioner in August and solutions architect earlier this September, my goal is to make sure that I come into sysop administrator learning and having a fundamental working knowledge of it, and just learning from other people has been helpful, which is why I also do these videos and chart my Amazon Web Services cloud journey, because I want people to be able to learn from me and make educated decisions. I view it in a way as consumer protection so that people can know more about what they're looking for and make better decisions regarding that. So this is, the wrap up for both my Cleveland State Career Fair as well as my cloud computing update. I'm also actively looking for a direct hire full-time remote Cleveland and DC cloud computing position. So it could be cloud architect, cloud engineer, site reliability engineer. Get in touch with me at linkedin.com, Carla R. Jenkins. Also, you can connect with me across social media. My universal social media handle is Carla R. Jenkins. Finally, you can click on my website, carlarjenkins.com, click the contact page. I'll receive your email. I greatly appreciate every single person in my community for watching my video, liking, and commenting. I greatly appreciate the community support and your engagement. I'll keep everyone in touch until the next video. Goodbye.